discover a hidden gem. Turn into the quiet and tranquil drive leading to this property and you'll know you've found that special place. Entertaining will be a breeze in this beautifully designed home with a split bedroom floor plan and oversized kitchen and living areas. Beautiful woodwork, countertops, and finishes make this home your own personal retreat. The 2,000 square feet attached insulated workshop offers almost limitless possibilities, whether you're looking for extra space to work from home, for a huge hobby area, or just a place for your farm and ranch tools and equipment. You need to see this space to appreciate the opportunity. The acreage is fenced and cross-fenced, currently in use for cattle. It also has a stock pond. A large equipment barn offers plenty of covered storage, or the equestrian user can convert it to horse stalls. The 4-car attached covered parking also makes an excellent outdoor entertaining area. Relax at the end of a long day in the beautiful hot tub.